Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In this video, we will see control structures in C++ programming language. Generally, what do you mean by control structures in any programming language? Control structures are nothing but structures which control the flow of execution of statements. So how statements in any programming language are executed are decided by these control structures. In this video, we'll see what are the different types of control structure. So see, there are three types. One is sequence structure, second is selection structure, third is loop structure. Now see, what do I mean by sequence structure? So this is the flowchart of sequence structure. Here you can see. Now see, here we start and here we end. In between this, we take multiple action. Means we have multiple statements and we execute that. Now see, so from the beginning, we execute one statement, then we execute second statement, we execute third statement. Likewise, we execute the statement at the end. At the end, there is the end of program. This is called as a sequence structure. So see, normally we start from the one statement and we come to the last statement like this. This is called as a sequence structure. One simple example that I will tell. Here see, this is the example for addition of two number. Now see, here we are defining two variables, right? Two integer variables. Then we are asking user to enter first number. Then we are saving in variable A. Then we are asking for second number that we are saving in B. Then we are calculating addition of these two numbers and then we are printing on the screen, right? So these are the statements we are executing one by one. So first statement, second statement, third statement, fourth, likewise, right? So we are executing these statements in sequence, right? And this is called as a sequence structure. So see, one by one after another, we are executing the statement. This is called as the sequence structure. Now see, second structure that we will see, that is the selection structure. Now what do you mean by that? See, we'll have this flow chart. Now see, look at this flow chart. So we are starting here and we are ending here. See, in between what is happening? Here we have condition. We have condition. So condition can be true, condition can be false. If condition is true, we are executing this block. We are executing these actions. We are taking this action. If condition is false, then we are taking these actions, right? And here there is an end of the program, right? So see, in selection structure, we have multiple blocks of statements. We have multiple actions. We have multiple set of actions, and from that we are choosing one, right? So in this case, we have two set of actions, right? This is one and this is another. So we can execute this or this, right? And how we are selecting it based on the condition. What is the output of this condition? If it is true, this. If it is false, then this, right? So when we are selecting from the multiple blocks, right? When we are selecting out of the multiple blocks, that is called as a selection structure. Now see how it is implemented in C++ language by using simple if, by using if else, by nested if, by if else ladder. So in next video we'll see how to write code for this. So see here in this flowchart we have seen we have condition and there is only two outputs, right? True and false. But if there are multiple outputs, see, I will show you one flowchart. Look at this. So normally in condition we have two outputs, right? True or false. But when we have multiple outputs, so see, we call it case, not condition. Actually, it is a case. So cases can be, there can be multiple cases, right? A. So here I have given the name A, B, C. Likewise, there can be n cases. If case is A, we will take this action. If case is B, we will take this action. If case is C, we will take this action. Likewise, when there are multiple cases and we are choosing from multiple cases, we are choosing only one case, right? So this is called that, this is again the selection structure only, right? So we are out of the multiple blocks, out of the multiple actions, we are choosing some, we are choosing one, right? This is called as the selection structure. So this was the one example and this was the another example. In previous case, there were only two output were possible, true or false. Here there are multiple outputs, right? And from these multiple cases, we are choosing one. And this is called as, and this is implemented in C++ programming language by using switch case. Now see, we'll go to the third control structure and that is called as a loop structure. Now see, from this flow chart, it will be clear. Now look at this. So again, this is the start and this is the end of the program, right? Now see, in between what is happening? Actions and condition, right? So we're checking condition. If condition is true, then again we are going back, we'll execute these actions and then again we will check the condition. So see, condition will get checked. If it is true, then actions will be taken. Again after that, after the actions, again we are checking the condition. If condition is true, again we will execute the actions, again we will check the condition. So see, this is called as a loop or iteration, right? This is one loop, second loop, third loop, fourth loop, likewise. So this is the loop we have, and when will come outside this loop, when this condition is false. So when condition is false, will come outside the loop, right? So this is called as a looping structure. So we are executing these statements multiple times, right, based on this condition. So every time we are checking the condition, if it is true, we'll execute that statement. Again we are checking the condition, if condition is true, again we'll run that statement or execute that statement. And when will come outside this loop, when condition is false, right? So this is called as looping structure or loop structure. It is also called as an iterative structure. Now see how it is implemented in C++ programming language. So by using for, there is one special case of for, that is called as enhanced for loop or for each loop. That also we'll see in coming videos. Then while and do while. So by this we implement loop structure in C++ programming language. That we'll see example for this we'll see in next video. So here in this video we have seen there are three types of control structure: sequence structure, selection structure, and loop structure. And what do my control structure? It is a structure which control the flow of execution of statement. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.